Welcome to the Classroom Hotlines instructional video series for the University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill. In this video, we'll show you how to effectively use a document camera, or DocCam, in your classroom. We'll also discuss using the DocCam as a web conferencing and lecture capture camera. Most classrooms have a DocCam on the podium or desk near the touchscreen. To begin, the document camera should have a red light in the center of the console. This means the document camera has been turned off by the last instructor. Press the power button on the top to turn it on. After a few seconds, the red light will begin blinking and then will turn green, indicating that the DocCam is powered on. When the DocCam fully turns on, you can press DocCam in the right of the touch panel to select it and then press Send to Projector. Position the movable arm of the DocCam above your document and position the document as needed to properly display it on the projector screen. If you need to, you can use the zoom in and zoom out functions on the main console to properly display your documents. If you need more light on the document, press the lamp button and lights will illuminate the image. If the image is out of focus, simply press the autofocus button in the center of the arrows on the base and the unit will adjust its focus to your document. All desktop DocCams are also connected via USB to the in-house computer and can be used as a camera and microphone source for web conferencing over Zoom or lecture capture through Panopto. This is helpful for smaller rooms that do not have permanently installed cameras and microphones. Simply select Avery USB camera as a source for your video and microphone, and the computer will treat the DocCam no differently than a webcam plugged into your computer. The microphone on the DocCam is located near the camera lens, so keep in mind that you'll need to remain in the general vicinity of the DocCam to get the highest quality audio. After you're done using the document camera for the day, please be courteous to the next instructor by pressing the power button on the top to power it off and pressing System Power on the main menu of the touch panel to reset the AV system. If you're having difficulties using any of our technology or need to report a problem with maintenance or housekeeping in the room, please pick up the hotline phone and one of our tech support specialists will help you right away.